I'm going to show you how to check your storage on your iPad. This is going to be very simple and quick, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. The first thing we want to do is locate our settings app. I have it right down here on the bottom on my dock, so let's go ahead and tap on our settings. And then once we are inside settings, we want to scroll down and tap on General, the General tab. And then inside the General tab here, you're going to notice that a couple tabs down, or a few tabs down, you will see the iPad storage. So let's go ahead and select this. It'll run a little report for you, and then right up at the top, you can see your storage and what you have left. So for example, you can see that I have 178.9 gigabytes used out of 256 gigabytes. Some of the other cool features here is it will give you some recommendations on how you can save space. So for example, you can offload unused apps, you can auto delete old conversations, and then you can also actually see which apps are holding the most amount of storage here. So for example, you can see that my Fortnite app is holding 10.83 gigabytes of storage. By far the most is LumaFusion, which is holding 153.82 gigabytes of storage, which is quite a lot. So hopefully this helped you out. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.